Disclaimer. This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
Hello guys, assalamu alaikum. I am Oni with you and you are watching my YouTube channel OniTech360. So viewers, already you know by video thumbnail that I will show how to get free fake USA phone number, also where and how can use this. Well, you can use this phone number anywhere, anytime, like your phone number that you are using. It's working 100%, so keep watching and please support me by like, subscribe and share with your friends. Let's do it. First of all, install Talkie or Dingtone app from the Play Store. And then create an account there. I have already an account, that's why I am logging my account. You can see this like of interface. Now click the more and you can see my account balance. You must earn 100 credit to buy a phone number. I already make a video how to earn free credit simply. Please check out link in description box. Get your first phone number. Select your country which number you want. I'm gonna buy United States number. Enter any city name which you want. So I am simply typing California in New Jersey. Now you can see the lots of number here available to buy. Please select your number which you want. I'm gonna select any number. And here lots of number which you want, then please simply select one. Okay, I selected one, then continue. Now click access to the number. Select Google Play, then pay. Please wait and then click the back button. Congratulations, your number is successfully added. Now click the setup. Here you can see all details of your number. You can make call forwarding and also other available features. Now go back and make a free call and check how it's work. First select your country. I'm gonna selecting my country. I'm from Bangladesh, so I need to select Bangladesh. And I am typing my number. Please wait. Okay, then call and make chip call. And select your new number. Also, you can make free call without buying number, just click the anonymous call. So I have a number, that's why I am using this. You can use this number for 1 year. Let's check this number. I show you by camera, I received call from this number. Here you can see I received call from New Jersey and this number which is I buy just now. And let's receive it. Here is the call duration, as you can see. Now this time to test yourself. So viewers, if this video helpful for you, then thank you very much for watching and please support me by subscribe, like and share. If you find any kind of problem, please write below the comment box. I will reply as soon as possible. Bye bye.